Europa League and Conference League prediction for today being the 22nd day of February 2024, and we have games in Toulouse taking on Benfica, Sparta Prague taking on Galatasaray Istanbul, Sporting taking on Young Boys Ben, then and a whole lot of predictions lining up for today. So let's get started. Before we move on, kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friend. Tag your friends in the comment section and drop where you are watching us from. The first game we have today is a game between Torino taking on Lazio in Italy Serie A, and my prediction here is under 2.5 goals at full time. And today I want to give an advice because yesterday it was only one game that got our ticket yesterday over 100 odds. So congratulations to those people that flexed yesterday game, and also people that divide the ticket into two. And also I want to say that our premium VIP platform is still active. If you want to join us and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Moving on, we have a game in Indonesia Premier League, where Persija Jakarta is taking on Madura United, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. Moving on to India I-League, we have a game between Jamshedpur taking on East Bengal, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals. Moving on to Europa Conference League, we have a game between Toulouse taking on Benfica, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals. Next game is a game between Sparta Prague taking on Galatasaray Istanbul. Under 3.5 goals is our prediction. And also we have a game between Rennes taking on AC Milan, and my prediction here is a home win or draw. That is double chance for Rennes. Moving on, we have a game between Karabakh taking on Braga, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. The next game I have is a game between Freiburg taking on RC Lens, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals. The next game we have here is a game between Lodogreb taking on Servette Geneva, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next game we have is a game between Slovan Bratislava taking on Stormgrass, and our prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. Please use this opportunity to hit the like button, and also follow this page if you are new to this page, and also subscribe to this channel if you are new to our YouTube channel. Okay guys, and the next game we have is a game between Legia Warsaw taking on Mode, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. And note that these ones that I gave over 2.5 goals, you can as well select them over 1.5 goals for better chance of winning. Moving on, we have a game between Frankfurt Budapest taking on Olympiacos, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next game we have is a game between Dinamo Zagreb taking on Real Betis, and my prediction here is under 2.5 goals at full time. The last game we have is a game between Bordeaux Grims taking on Ajax, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. That gives us a total of 14 matches, 316 odds. So I would advise you bet responsibly. You can as well flex this game. Okay guys, you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Okay, I will see you guys after the game for a review of today's predictions, and then some other announcement. Okay, very responsibly, and always have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.